don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? It used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay.
Hi dreamers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yumi Dreams. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button to join Mam's family and that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back and channel and my kaya. So guys, in today's video, as you saw by this title, we are doing a hair installation by Rpgshow. So they were so kind enough to send me their beautiful wigs, and one thing I love about them, guys, is that their consistency. Guys, like, I've been working with them since like 2021, and like, I love their quality. Quality is amazing, top tier, you know, beginner friendly wig. They customize the wig, they pluck the hair, they bleach the hair, like they curly the hair. I didn't even curl it myself. Like, I just, guys, don't sleep on them. Please don't sleep on them. Make sure that you do order. Everything is down on my description box and also the discount code. So this is the company. It is Rpgshow. So this is their bag, and they also sent me some goodies. I used them while I was installing. So we have this letter that explains everything about this hair, and they said this hair, it is a 20-inch, guys. It doesn't look like a 20-inch, like it's too long for a 20-inch. It is very silky, and then the lace is Swiss lace, 13 by 6, 200 density, and then the lace is tinted transparent lace in a light brown. Never. So yeah, I didn't do anything to this hair, guys. This is the order information. Then my bank sent and my penticles. They also sent me, I believe this is like a glue or something, I don't know what is this. And then they sent me the belt and this scissors and tweezers. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I have to ask the team because it's my first time seeing these things. What is this? Is this a glue? Oh yes. But how do you? I don't know. It's so sticky. So yeah, and then they sent me the magazine. Maybe one day I'll just see myself here. Let me look. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Okay, maybe one day I'm gonna be here. Who knows? So yeah, guys, if you would like to see how I install this hair, please keep on watching, and thank you to you guys for watching my hair videos, the real OGs of the OG of the OG. And tell them to get my kaya. Oh my god, I love this question. I think, I'm gonna use this spray. It's lemon spray, guys. So I got this one from Joburg CBD cosmetic shop, because Nikisna like the cosmetic shop, and they've been saying this spray is amazing. Lena gas one house amazing compared to the Ghost to glue, because my hairline is going, so I need to protect my hairline by all means. And also when I'm washing my wigs, I've realized I don't waste time removing the glue off the lace. She is the girl that she thinks she is. Tell her this is spray. So yeah, I'm gonna use it now to lay down the wig. As you guys can see, this wig, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. So yeah, let's go in with the spray. I'm gonna use this from Rpgshow. Yeah guys, tie the hair so that I can lay down this hair like it is super laid, because that's what you want. Gonna tell you what I knew. We want the hair to lay. Before that, I'm gonna cut the lace so that I can lay. I know, like, I don't have anything to do with the lace. The final look, guys. So let's see, how is our lace? Oh my god, this is so clean. So guys, I'm done. This is how the lace is looking. I love this hair from Rpgshow. They always come with the best wigs ever, so don't say I don't plug you guys. Rpgshow is the girl that you think she is. Now I'm gonna plug you guys with this Wonder Water. So I use Wonder Water from L'Oreal to define the curls, or maybe if I see auto damage, I use this. So you can apply it and then you wash your hair immediately, or you can just leave it in, like it transforms your hair. This is the conditioner, so it shines also the hair. So I use it so much, guys, on my wigs. I love it. So I'm gonna use it, then I'm gonna apply it on my curls. You guys are gonna see those curls. What do you want? Like, oh, I should redo them. It's not make sure. I slayed, okay? I ate, I slayed, I ate, I did everything. Like, you guys can see. Look at that hair. No baby hair, no nothing. So yeah, this is the final look. Look at these, look at the baby hairs. I ate this look. So yeah, look at this. So if you would like to buy this hair, everything is down on my description box, and also check out for the discount code because I always get the discount, so please check them.